Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Lariat Sport Package as well as the Trailer Tow Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, the nice tow hitch, backup camera of course, mud flaps on the rear, and we do have a nice gripped running board, as well as a side view camera with blind spot detection and turn light indicator mirrors. We also do have a hood deflector, front park sensing, 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice black perforated leathering. We got 2 cup holders right there. Heated back seats, a 12 volt, USB and USB-C, and 120 just right there. We do have cup holders and plenty of space in the door, B&O sound system, brown leathering on the door, and of course if you don't need that extra person, this does fold out for 2 cup holders and some arm space. And we do have a nice twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see we do have powered seats, the same, perforated leathering with brown accents, plenty of door space again, memory seating for the 3 drivers, your parking brakes right there, pedal adjusters, lights, blind spot, and tailgate opener just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 23.6 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, you have your toggle-free menu, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control just right there. Look at your main screen here, you have my view, trip and fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. Looking over here, leather-wrapped gear shift with your speed adjusters. It's also collapsible, providing you with more storage. Nice little pen slot, cup holders, wireless charging pad with some storage, USB and USB-C, and it does close. We do have a nice leather-wrapped center console with a ton of storage down there with a USB and USB-C. We have our drive modes, 4-wheel drive, rear locking differential, trailer disconnect, and pro trailer backup. For your drive modes, you do get normal, slippery, deep sand and snow, mud and rut, and we do get, tow and haul, eco, and sport. Continue our look over here. We got heated and cooled front seats, heated steering wheel, dual climate, a 12 volt, 120. Clicking this, you do get storage there as well as down there. We do have leather accents on top of the dash as well, which is pretty nice. Storage above. We do have a nice rear window opener, which is pretty handy, as well as our functions for our twin panel moonroof, which we did see earlier in the video. And we have our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park sensing, hazards, and traction. Now looking at our main screen here, you do have your audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities, phone, your navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, power tailgate, so on and so forth. We do have our apps in general, or any apps you may have downloaded, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, your settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF37438, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.